Yo guys, let's talk about EPS ellipsis. That's interesting what's going on today. Like all other altcoins, there is a lot of movement. So I'm on a daily time frame, and as you can see, actually I've got my indicator saying short, but ignore it. It's my special script. I have a special script to detect things on my behalf when I don't have time. So what we can see is a clear pullback, and now we want to see for we are waiting for a run. I don't think we will get any run until we are touching this trend line. All right. Another thing you need to understand, it's the coin is ranging, properly ranging. If you don't see it by looking at the candle, you can't realize it, or even on a 4 hours time frame you don't see it. You need to look at the cloud here, and you can see it's very flat. SSA, the green line on top, the SSA is flat. The SSB on the bottom, the red line, is flat, and it's quite large. So people are accumulating. Okay, there is volume, but no one is really taking decision of going on a run or keeping the pullback. So when we are in this kind of situation, you better not trade. You have to wait for a signal. Otherwise you're taking, because it can go really both ways. There is like all the ways it can go here. There is many possibilities for this, but as much as going bearish down to our trend line, maybe even to the Kijun weekly here at 0.7507. So you need to see these things, and don't trade based on FOMO, or don't trade based on any feeling. This is not good. Feelings are not working well for trading. You don't have to have any feelings when you're trading. Okay guys, I'm looking at a 4 hours time frame to have a quick look of what we can see. Here you can see the cloud at the end is actually closing. So ignore this. When you look at the daily time frame, that's where you have to see if it's ranging or not. Look at the daily time frame. However, here, seeing it closing here, I ignore it. Totally ignore it. Ignore the end of it. Just don't ignore it when it's on a daily, or if there is a twist. Now you can see maybe a twist is going to appear. However, we are under the cloud. Some people will tell you just take short position. That's not true. You can take long position as well. You just have to find out the swings, when it's going to go bullish, bearish. You have to just to find out the signals. So at the moment, we are, unfortunately, finally we passed the Kijun daily, and touching the Kijun daily, when we touch a Kijun, something must happen, and you can see it seems like the market react by a even deeper pullback. So we keep bearish. This candle is doji, and I know the day is not over, but almost over. So 4 hours, 5 hours more, and this candle will be completed. 4 hours and it will be actually this 1 hour and it will be completed. I think it will end by staying on a doji candle. The next candle will take 4 hours to be completed. Then we'll see where it starts. So if we stay here, we will start on the bottom of this one and even lower. So we keep going down and down and down. Where we have a stop loss, then if you are on a here, you clearly normally already on a short position, so your take profit should be around here. You can look at these candles, or you look at the SSB, but you see we went very far, and this one look kind of tricky. So you better, it's a hammer, right? So I wouldn't take the leg. I prefer to take around here because of this candle here, and we are touching everything. So a take profit at 0.8394 is pretty good. That would be very safe. It's a safe way to go. Once we touch here, you wait for a signal in case it actually goes on a run, and then your first take profit will be at the Kijun daily at 0.8625, then at the Tenkan 4 hours, and then we go all the way up to the Tenkan daily. However, I can tell you one thing: this Tenkan is very flat, so it's great. It's also on the SSB of the cloud, so both combination very resistant. There is a little chance we can get through it. So if we can see that we got this configuration until at least the 7th of September. So I wouldn't expect EPS to go above the 0.9095 before at least the 6th or 7th of September. All right, guys. That's how we do. The video is already more than 3 minutes. I'm sorry for that. Please like and comment if you have any question, and I would like you to subscribe. I would really appreciate. These videos are free. I'm trying to let you know how to use the Ichimoku Cloud to get better at it, and to do your own technical analysis without the help of anyone and without being influenced by anyone to make your decision on going on a short or a long position. It's important that you do this by yourself at some point, so you will become a successful trader. All right, I'll see you later. You take care. Bye bye.